As you can hear and see, my car is suffering from a huge misfire. The car is shaking like mad. So the usual steps, I started off with the basics. I changed the spark plugs for a new set, changed out the core packs for some different ones, and even went as far as replacing an injector, which was a huge job. The only other option I had left, as the misfire was still happening, was to replace the high pressure fuel pump. Usually you have to replace the whole unit, but recently I found out you can just replace the top sensor. And look at the state of my old one. It's got a huge crack down the middle, and it looks super rusty. So this was my final straw. If this didn't fix it, I don't know what else I would have tried, but it only costs around 40 quid to get a new sensor, so I thought it's worth a shot. So this is the old one. You can see how tired and damaged it looks just because it's so old. So here's the new one on. Looks brand new. It's not an OEM part, but it's an OEM replacement. Now I've got this on. This just screws off the top, and I just used a really big ratchet adjustable spanner to just unscrew it. And you do need quite a big spanner like this because it's on there pretty tight. So now that it's on, let's start the engine and see if this fixes the problem.